The GoPro?
I'm not.
It's on. This is called the GoPro?
I'm not the GoPro.
Alright, you guys ready?
Do we have any?
Yeah, behind the stump on the floor. Wait, do you know have any ammo left?
Oh, nobody got the bag.
Wait, what? Hitting you? Where's the trunk is?
Holy crap.
Oh, hit. Camera.
Bag.
Look out. Look out, look out. Get down. Get behind the stump, hurry. Lay down, lay down. Oh, I see him. Just stay there. That wasn't a good idea. I know. Hey, right in front of me. Come here, Thomas. Right here, Julian. Right here.
I can't see it from here.
He's right behind the stump.
Right, there's someone. Right there.
Yeah. That's Alec.
Trunk is.
Oh, sorry, I can't hear it. Okay.
Just Alec, I think.
I got someone.
He's still in.
Yeah, I know. I think he got tagged in. I think they're both on their last life.
Left side. Up there, but I think he left. I'm not sure. I got comments on him, someone killed him. I'm not. He went back out there. He's still up there.
Shit.
I brought a charger. Two actually. Alright, let's get down here.
Alright, you guys ready?
Shit, bad on you. Bad on you.
Alright, go!
Cameraman.
right behind the stone.
I don't want to take this much more of the van. We need that.
Dang it.
Wait, is Jimmy filming? Is John filming?
Go.
Not there. I need
Hey, Garrett,
That's gonna happen.
cover me, okay?
New players get the worst guns. Well,
Alex.
wants to hand over a three. Okay, well, maybe not.
Just, Garrett, cover me, okay? You ready?
Bag achieved.
Alright.
You want it? Alright, you want me to...
Yeah.
You can
Just
probably
run with me.
retreat to the
Run with me.
trenches. Well, Jimmy, what's the sniper? Will you?
Yeah, watch that sniper, Jimmy.
Get
You ready? Cover me. Go, go, go.